Hey, it's Around here. In this tech tutorial, I'm going to show you in Systeme.io how to set up a font so you have consistency across your website. So in System, you cannot actually do an entire website and choose your font in one place. You actually have to do it individually by page. Now let me show you how that works. So when you're on the editor section, you basically want to click on settings. In the settings, you have two sections. You have default typography, which basically gives you the option of choosing a font for text and for bullets and for things along these lines. And then you have the second portion, which is heading typography, which is where you get the headlines. Now, let me show you the difference. You see here it says text headline. This refers to the settings, which is heading typography. Whereas if you look and you click right here, for example, you could see this is still text headline, but you see this is bullets, and also you've got text, which is right below here. Bullets again, there you go, text. This one applies to the settings, which is this portion right here on the right, default typography. Now what you want to do is when you click on the text, you want to choose the button here which is font type, and you want to click on the drop down, and here you can customize this particular text to be something specific, or I would recommend you simply choose same font as the page. When you do same font as the page, if you decide your font is going to be different later, you can click on settings, click on default typography, and then you would choose the right font. Now when choosing the font, you could do a few things. You can actually choose Google Fonts, which depending if you're in Europe, you may want to avoid that because of GDPR rules. And you can use the web safe fonts, which is different types of fonts. I'm gonna click on that just to show you an example. It shows you a bunch of drop downs here. And also you can do the default font, which is my personal preference. Now, the other thing is that you can also upload your own font, which is a good way to do it. If you're going to use Google Fonts, for example, what you want to do is you want to go to Google and Fonts, and then download the Google font that you specifically want. That way, it's an uploaded font, and from my understanding, it is more GDPR compliant. Now, I'm not a GDPR expert or anything like that. I don't know where you are in the world, so do your own research. But here, if you're to search for fonts, you simply download the font from here and then upload it to Systeme. When you're on this page, you click right here to fonts, and then you can choose the one that you want. So for example, in my case, I'm Poppins, right? So search for the font, click search for Poppins. Here it is. Click on it, and then you'll be able to download it from here. So you can see here, click on download family, and it will automatically download it right here. You'll see it. And then when you go to your specific page, you can click here on the upload, and then you would choose the font. You will see it in your download section right here in a moment. Here it is. Click on open, okay? And you'll be able to upload it that way. Now note that when you upload it, you want to also click on the actual, you want to open the zip file and then look at the folder and see which font specifically you want to upload. In my case, I'm going to upload, for example, I'm going to click right here, click on the folder, and then I'm going to upload Poppins Medium because that is the default typography. Then it will actually upload it, and then I will have that choice appearing very soon once it's actually uploaded. So that's how you want to set it up, and that way you can get the right font depending on how you want it. So you see here, font is successfully uploaded, then I can click on it, and then you'll see that now everything is going to be Poppins Medium. So this is a little bit more tedious to do it that way, but it is going to probably be, depending on where you are in the world, more GDPR compliant. So that's number one. And you want to basically, when you start setting up anything in Systeme.io, what you want to do is you first want to go to settings, and you want to choose the typography of the text, and then the heading typography as well, two separate ones. And then when you are editing your text headline, you simply choose same font as the page. And when you're in the text section, again, you will click same font as the page. Now you'll have to do that for each individual page as you wish. You cannot do it across the entire site, but all you got to do is just always start with setting. Whenever you create a new page, doesn't matter if it's a squeeze page or an upsell page or whatever, choose the right font, and that way you'll be good to go in terms of consistency. So I hope that video helps. If you have any other tutorials you want to record in Systeme.io, let me know. This particular question came from one of my tech support members, and this video was recorded for them, and I definitely welcome any other questions you have. Thanks for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you got value from this particular tutorial. This is a very typical question that I get in my tech support membership, which you can check out. There's going to be a link somewhere around here. And there's also going to be a little video where you can actually check out exactly how it is that I help people and how I answer these questions. I have a tech support membership. I answer questions in under 24 hours. I've got a support team helping me as well, and over 100 members to assist entrepreneurs just like you who are struggling with technology or don't waste your time trying to figure things out and rather ask somebody who already knows, will do the research for you, give you the tutorial so you can save time, save money, and focus on what you enjoy doing instead of the techie stuff. So if you're interested in that, you can check it out. There's going to be a link somewhere around here and in the description. And that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment and also subscribe to the channel so you can see other videos like this. And I'm going to show you some other videos here that might be of interest to you. That's about it. Thanks a lot, and I'll speak to you soon.